Bagi khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ulat Gejala Meghalaya UCH Vijay Shankar. Haka khandai trik unai lur arajar arpusan ula PYLLAIT PAIDBAH ek standard operating procedure bad ek website KAEI magajung pentrikam ek section 12 subsection 1 clause C jong right to education act arajar khandai blapen bit pinbyang dekat tanat puli puthi jong sarkar jalla Haka jingalang kablapen long dekat State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya Samagra Siksha Hador Barho jong Raj Bhavan Shillong Asakilang Do Commissioner and Secretary Ketanat Puli Puthi Vijay Kumar Mantri State Project Director Kasemam Samagra Siksha Ujagdis Shelani kinohikai bagi kena skol
We have kept a short photograph session with the two groups of cultural performances. तो उसके लिए भी सर मैं आगे चाहूँगा कि उनको बुला लिया जाए इसके बाद। अभी बुलाएंगे जी जी सर तैयार है सर।
Do you know you can now get free admission in private schools? How is it possible? Under the Right to Education Act, 2009, at least 25% seats in private schools for class 1 to 8 are reserved for children from economically weaker sections and disadvantaged groups.
Oh wow! But who are eligible for this benefit?
Good question. Children between 6 to 14 years, whose families are from economically weaker sections or disadvantaged groups such as Scheduled Tribe, Scheduled Caste, Orphans, CWSN, etc. are eligible.
That's helpful. But if parents want to apply, what documents are required?
Some important documents required are birth certificate, residential certificate, caste or tribe certificate, proof of income, proof for economically weaker section, disability certificate, etc.
And how do they apply?
It's very easy. Parents can apply online through the state portal. They can select nearby schools and upload the documents.
Wow, that makes it simple and transparent. I shall now enroll myself. Thank you.
All respected officers and respected head of the institutions of private institutions, educational institutions, ladies and gentlemen, dear students, I am really delighted to join with you for the release of the standard operation procedures and the launch of State of Meghalaya website for the implementation of Section 12, Subclass 1, Subclass C of the Right to Education Act 2009. This provision of RTE Act ensures that 25% of the entry-level seats in private, unaided, non-minority schools are reserved for children from economically weaker section and socially who are backward. It is a vital steps towards the inclusivity, equality, and the fulfillment of every child's constitutional right to education. The SOP provides clarity and uniformity in the implementation, while the new website brings transparency and efficiency. It will also strengthen the partnership between the government and the private schools, making education a shared responsibility and collective mission. This is not just compliance with the law, it is a strategic investment in inclusive growth, social integration, and future of our state, of Meghalaya and nation. I commend the educational department and all the stakeholders for this important step. Let us work together to ensure that the spirit of this act is realized in every corner of Meghalaya. Kuble, Mithila, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks to all of you and all the best. Good luck.